Okay, we've got our head here. We're going to start carving on it. And we're going to start with the nose part and work our way out from there. So I've got different cutters I'm going to be using. These are all really good wood cutters here. These tools I got off of Amazon. And they're Kurtzall. And they're perfect for shaving down the wood that you want to shave down. I found those on Amazon and these work really well. So we got this smaller one, a little bit larger, and this is going to be for bigger areas, and this is just a drum type. So we're going to start with this one here, and we're going to line this out. You can see how we get this lined out by taking it in there. Now we'll go with the bigger one to open it up some. And we want to mark for our cheeks areas. So if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you.